Flax seeds. Benefits and side effects. Now let's see the benefits of flax seeds. Flax seeds protects our body from many types of cancers due to the ligands found in them. Regular intake of flax seeds reduces blood sugar levels and increases insulin in our body. Flax seeds helps in weight loss as they helps us to feel full for long and suppress our desire to eat. Taking flaxseed daily can lower the bad LDL cholesterol significantly. Omega-3s and ligands found in flax helps to strengthen our immune system inside out. Regular intake of flax seeds helps to improve digestive health or relieve us of constipation. Flax seeds contain nutrients that helps in keeping the hair healthy and the scalp hydrated. Flax seeds lubricates the joints and lessens stiffness and joint pain in arthritis patients. Flax seeds are high in protein but low in carbs. It contains both soluble and insoluble types. Flaxseed decreases the number of hot flashes and improves the mood in postmenopausal women. Flax seeds give protection against skin damage from sun exposure and prevent skin cancer also. Flax seeds has the ability to fight off depression and other mood disorders. Daily intake of flax seeds ensures good functioning of the brain. Consuming flax seeds can be effective in protecting against harmful effects of radiation. Now let's see the side effects of flax seeds. Flax seeds when used in higher quantities can cause abdominal discomfort or diarrhea also. Flax seeds when taken in excessive quantities develop allergic reactions like nausea and vomiting. Excessive use of flax seeds can delay the time for the blood to clot. Large amounts of flaxseed during pregnancy is very harmful to the fetus. Taking your fiber intake too quickly can cause gastrointestinal problems like bloating. Sometimes some medications interact with flaxseed negatively.